Alright, let's get straight to the point. You're probably a poor, unhealthy slave right now who wants to break free, and the only way to break free is by changing your habits. It's like James Clear once said, we make our habits, then our habits make us. So today I will expose the most harmful habits you do every single day without even realizing it, which will allow you to finally eliminate them and achieve all the goals you have ever dreamed of. First up is the most common habit people struggle with that inherently makes them a complete failure. It's making excuses. Excuses literally destroy every single part of your life. Like if you say, I'm not going to work today, you stay poor. If you chicken out of asking a girl on a date, you stay lonely. If you decide to watch TV instead of reading a book, you become stupid. If you say, I'm too tired to cook a healthy meal, I'll just order fast food, you get sick. There's literally no benefit from making excuses. God didn't put you here to be an unhealthy, poor slave to the system. He put you here to do something great, so stop making excuses and do it. You have 24 new hours every day, and after the 8 to sleep, 8 to work, 2 to eat, and 1 for working out, there's 5 beautiful periods of 60 minutes that you can utilize to achieve everything you've ever dreamed of. But that will only happen if you stop making excuses. The second habit you need to stop doing ASAP is trying to impress others. This is a horrible habit to instill because it ruins your mental health, drains your bank account, and makes you look extremely insecure because, well, you are if you do this. You should never be looking to impress others with things. You should be grinding for a goal that allows you to acquire those things so people are impressed by your grind, not your fake flexing. So for all you 15 to 30-year-olds who buy expensive Jordans or bags you can't afford to flex on Instagram, sell them today, use that money to fund your goals, and once you accomplish your goals, buy something even sicker if you still care. Because in reality, everything I ever wanted when I was broke, I don't want now, even though I could easily afford it. Like I wanted a C8 Corvette and now I could buy a Lambo, but I have zero interest in either. It's like my quote says, once you can afford it, you don't want it. The third habit you need to stop doing is hanging out with the wrong friends. Because whether you like it or not, you are the average of your 5 closest friends. So if you only hang out with poor losers, that means you are a poor loser. Now, this doesn't mean you completely cut everyone off. In fact, this could be a great opportunity to become successful together and continue your brotherhood in wealth instead of poverty. So if you have a great friend that's doing nothing in life, get together and watch this video as a team. That's a great idea, Logan, but how do I determine the friends I need to eliminate? Well, it should be pretty obvious to see. If they aren't striving for success, if they don't grind every waking hour of the day, if they aren't building multiple sources of income, if they aren't getting in the great physical shape, if they don't check in on you and your success, all those things are a red flag and a reason to cut them off. So your last hope would be getting them to watch this video, and if they're still lazy after that, say goodbye. The fourth habit you need to stop today is consuming non-educational content on social media, television, and online. The internet has completely changed the game and allows anyone from anywhere to become extremely intelligent and make unlimited money. But instead of doing that, most people are brain-dead scrolling machines who consume content that ruins their attention span and makes them stupider. The only reason you should be on social media is to network, become educated, or use it to promote your businesses. So after this video, you better stick to those rules and unfollow everyone who doesn't help you achieve your dreams. The fifth habit you need to eradicate from your life is laziness. And since this kind of goes hand in hand with habit number 1, making excuses, I won't say anything besides laziness is a sin. And habit 6 is an even eviler sin that will ruin your life. It's what boys call choking the chicken and what females call having fun with a toothbrush. This act is pure evil and a far worse addiction than crack. It ruins your perception of love, destroys relationships, and lowers the hormones you need to be a successful human. So from someone who is deeply addicted to that evilness for 6 years to someone who's most likely struggling with it, no, you can overcome it. It's super easy once you get past the first month. Habit 7 is pretty similar to habit 6, but instead of destroying your love life and willpower, it destroys your body. There are tons of things that do this, and they are all classified as drugs. I can't say the word because of YouTube's TOS, but anything you drink, inhale, or inject that doesn't benefit your body needs to be stopped. Your body is your temple and the only thing you have that actually matters. Money comes and goes, friends come and go, but when your body goes, it's gone. Number 8 is more of a tradition, not a habit, but I had to include it in this video because it is severely ruining your guys' chances at success. It's college. College is just like school, an indoctrination camp to being brainwashed, but instead of it being free like school, you have to pay for it. You are literally going into debt to acquire information you can find for free on the internet while also wasting the most prime years of your life. And I know some of y'all want to be doctors or lawyers, and that's great stuff. I respect your ambition. But as the world comes to an end, which is coming faster than you think, I guarantee all you college kids who paid more for a piece of paper than your job pays you yearly would wish you listened to me. The best option is to get out of school as soon as you can, pick up a job that pays for your necessities, and when you're not at work, you need to be non-stop grinding to become wealthy. It's literally never been easier to make money online, so if you say, "That's unrealistic," or "I couldn't do that," your mindset sucks. There is not one person I know who grinded to get rich who isn't rich today. Habit 9 is something that happens a lot at places like school, college, or in unsuccessful friend groups. It's useless conversation. These conversations consist of anything that doesn't help you achieve your goals, make you smarter, or help your mental health. Your brain should only consume content that helps it become its best self. So next time you're in a group that's talking about some dumb Netflix show, what animal is the coolest, or saying dumb things like, "Bro, would you rather rail Jenna Ortega or Olivia Rodrigo?" Get away from those people immediately. You need to treat your brain like your stomach. Only intake things that better you. The 10th habit you need to stop doing is living above your means, which is called lifestyle inflation. It's a trap that so many fall into and why lots of millionaires are very poor. And I'm sure it shocks you to hear a millionaire can be poor, but think about it. Someone making $50K a year who only spends $20K is richer than someone who makes $1 million and spends 99% of it. So next time you get a raise or make more from your business, don't upgrade your car, apartment, or anything else. Instead, invest that money into assets you can stop working sooner. Habit 11 stems from the common saying, "Go with the flow." This is a mindset where you freely do whatever you feel like and believe it is what it is. And although I love parts of the "is what it is" mindset because it allows you to not be fazed by anything, like, "Oh, I just got robbed, it is what it is. Oh, my grandma got ran over by a reindeer, it is what it is." But the go with the flow part will destroy you because you have no discipline. You wake up whenever you feel, you only work when you want, and most of the time you do what others tell you because you presume that is the flow. Stop that. Make your own flow. Consistency and discipline is the only difference between a successful and non-successful person. So instill discipline. Do not go with the flow. Habit 12 is an activity those go with the flow losers normally do. It's partying. They go out, destroy their body and brain with beverages, are useless for a day or two after, then do it again the next weekend. It's literally a non-stop cycle of destroying your life, and it doesn't even make sense why they're partying. A party is a celebration, so what are you celebrating? Being poor? The last habit you need to stop doing is avoiding risk. The only way to truly succeed in life is by breaking out of your comfort zone and trying things average people say are impossible. You already did step 1, breaking away from your past habits, and now it's actually time to take action and learn how to get rich by watching my How to Get Rich Starting with $0 tutorial right here. So watch that right now, subscribe for more life-changing videos, and God bless.